The concept of peaceful and wrathful deities is common in Buddhism and it's common in the Bön religion. In the Bön religion, peaceful and wrathful has to be understood in two ways. It has to be understood as a kind of a concept for organizing different deities into two groups, one peaceful, one wrathful. That's the first. The second is more specific, and it's dealing with a certain collection of deities coming out of either one or a number of different but related texts that are teaching a particular group of figures for meditation practice that are referred to as the Shitro, the peaceful and wrathful deities. So we have two different things going on here. We have the concept of peaceful and wrathful as an organizing principle, and then we have a specific instance of literature discussing a group of deities that are known as the peaceful and wrathful deities of such and such a text, or of such and such a teacher or revealed treasure, finder. Different terms for these people. Terma has a different kind of idea in the Buddhist Nyingma tradition than Terma does in the Bön religion tradition. But peaceful and wrathful as an organizing principle, and peaceful and wrathful as a specific group of figures for meditation practice and rituals. Now, this is really a kind of a big deal in Bön, because all of the figures in all of the deities within the Bön religion can be divided between these two groups of peaceful and wrathful. They do not have this notion of an in-between category of semi-peaceful, semi-wrathful, which you find in the Sarma schools of Tibetan Buddhism. Sarma schools meaning the Kadam, Sakya, Kagyu, Jonang, and Gelug, these major groups. So we have this idea, peaceful and wrathful, as this organizing principle. Now, along with this, we have the idea that every deity, almost every deity within the Bön religion, has both a peaceful and a wrathful form. Now, this is very different from Tibetan Buddhism and Tantric Buddhism. There's just no such idea in Buddhism for this. But within the Bön religion, if you have a peaceful deity, there will be a wrathful deity. Now, there may not be any relationship in the name between the peaceful and wrathful deity, and there's no system by which you can learn who are the wrathful deities for a set of peaceful and who are the peaceful for a set of wrathful. You actually have to study it on a case-by-case basis. And there also doesn't have to be a relationship in terms of ritual practices. They could just be unrelated, except they're regarded as the peaceful and wrathful emanation of each other, or peaceful and wrathful form of each other. So, in some ways, the Bön religion, Bön iconography, and the organizational structures of Bön can be easier than Buddhism, in some ways. Also, there's fewer deities, so that also helps. So this is just an introduction to the peaceful and wrathful. It can be quite a complicated topic. So hit the like button, share, subscribe if you like, but also consider joining HAR on Patreon for longer videos, more in-depth videos, in-depth essays, unpublished essays, etc.